जब बच्चों में इंसेप्शन से जब वो बहुत छोटी क्लास में होते हैं तब से ही अगर कॉन्फिडेंस डाला जाए या उन्हें स्टेज दिया जाए या उन्हें परफॉर्मेंस करने की पूरी छूट दी जाए और उन्हें वैसी टीचिंग दी जाए तो वो बहुत आगे जाके बहुत बड़ा नाम करते हैं और उनका जो स्टेज फियर है वो चला जाता है, कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट हो जाता है। तो आज मैं डेली कॉलेज में आई हूँ जहाँ पे जूनियर जो बच्चे हैं क्लास 6 तक के वो परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं और थीम बहुत अच्छी है। उनके प्ले की थीम है विज़ार्ड ऑफ ऑज़। बचपन से हमने इस पूरी कहानी को सुना है, डोरोथी के बारे में सुना है और ग्लिंडा के बारे में सुना है, विकेट विच के बारे में सुना है, सबके बारे में सुना है और आज समय है छोटे-छोटे बच्चों को स्टेज पे ऐसे परफॉर्म करते देखने में। कितना मज़ा आने वाला है, बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है, पेरेंट्स भी बहुत एक्साइटेड है। आइए अंदर चलते हैं और कुछ झलकियाँ दिखाते हैं आपको इस कमाल के प्ले की।
डेली कॉलेज में जूनियर किड्स के एनुअल फंक्शन में जमा रंग। बच्चों की प्रस्तुति ने बांधा समा। बच्चों की प्रस्तुति ने पेरेंट्स और मेहमानों का मन मोह लिया। शानदार प्रस्तुतियों में बच्चों का आत्मविश्वास देखते ही बनता था। जूनियर कैटेगरी में क्लास 6 तक के बच्चों का था आज परफॉर्मेंस। बच्चों का स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस देख पेरेंट्स की खुशी का ठिकाना न रहा। डेली कॉलेज पहुंची एचपीटीवी न्यूज संवाददाता ने न सिर्फ कार्यक्रम को कवर किया बल्कि बच्चों के पेरेंट्स से बात कर उनके अनुभव भी जाने। पेरेंट्स भी बच्चों के परफॉर्मेंस को देख खुश और भावुक नजर आए। डेली कॉलेज के बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स के साथ विशिष्ट अतिथियों ने बढ़ाया बच्चों का हौसला।
The whole show was very nice, and Daily College Junior School annual function was very nicely created. In मतलब मैम रश्मि आहूजा ने और प्रिंसिपल मैम ने जिस हिसाब से ये पूरा एनुअल फंक्शन करा है, हर बच्चे को एक चांस दिया है, हर छोटे बच्चे मतलब everyone was there, कोई भी बच्चा छूटा नहीं था, and the whole theme was amazing, and it was nice to watch till the end. It was very fun. Oh yes, it should be. It should be because the way the school is promoting and giving that confidence to every child to take part and dance and sing. So it is very nice to build that confidence in every child, and the school is doing really well. I mean, I would congratulate again, ma'am, the headmistress, Mrs. Rashmi Ahuja, and the principal, the way they are promoting and they are taking all the children into it, and it was nice. All the parents also, as me as a parent, we really enjoyed the way the child was participating, and she was involved in everything.
It was an amazing performance. My son performed in today's event. The best part is everybody was involved in today's performance. I mean, he's fifth generation from our family in the school, and every year it's just getting better. Every generation it is getting better. The auditorium looks so good. The facilities are good. The way the play was choreographed, the music, the involvement of everyone, the prize giving, and plus Daily College is participating so many tournaments. We are bringing in laurels from different quarters of play, sport, life, education, quizzing, everything. So I think it's a perfect 360-degree development. I think the Daily College team is doing a fabulous job in raising very good kids for tomorrow's future. I think the favorite part, of course, like I said, the camaraderie between people when they were participating. There was joy. I mean, the storyline is one part, but whoever was performing, whether dancing or playing music or singing or doing a small skit, everybody was looking very happy with each other. So the company of being together, rehearsing, and then enjoying that moment, that was important. I think that's what I love the most. You recall something that you've forgotten. I think DC has never gone out of us. So we cannot recall something that we've not forgotten. DC is, yeah, once a Dalian, always a Dalian.
Today's show was wonderful. आज क्लास 4, 5, 6 का annual function था. My child is in class 5, and it was a wonderful show, very meticulously put together by the teachers and the students. They've been preparing for many weeks, and I think we are very excited to see what came out. So I think first of all, it starts with the theme. So if you see, the theme was The Wizard of Oz, and it's a beautiful theme. It's about a girl who goes everywhere. She gets lost and she gets into the magical land of Oz. Ultimately, sees that everything is inside. You don't see so much magic outside as inside. So the theme itself was very encouraging for the kids. That no matter where you go in the world, it is the world that inside that matters. So and I think through these themes, the teachers are trying to teach the kids to be more intrinsically focused and rather than extrinsically focused.
So obviously it was a play, and I think every child did phenomenally well. So the beauty of the play is that every child is given certain lines, right, and they have to perform back to back. So it is all about synchrony and playing for like almost 1.5 hour and in continuity. So obviously it was phenomenal and very very good performance. The children singing live, so it's not recorded. My daughter was part of the choir, and so many children getting opportunity singing, dancing, speaking. So there was a lot of things.
It is very nice. The kids performed very nicely. There was a choir that was singing properly. All kids performed there, and it was a long event, very interesting, very intriguing, and there was a lot of effort that was put in by the kids, and it showed up the hard work that they have been doing. The costumes were amazing. The way they had put up, it was amazing. It is obviously learning. When I was that age, I didn't have the exposure what my kids right now are having in Delhi College. So it is always amazing how Delhi College surpasses itself, excels the kids, prepares them for the world. So it is an amazing experience to be a Dalian parent.
तो आज दिल्ली कॉलेज में जूनियर बच्चों ने जो परफॉर्म किया है, फिनोमिनल, मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है। इस उम्र में इतना गजब का इन्होंने जो कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया है, मुझे लगता है कॉलेज, ये जो स्कूल है, इसकी यही खासियत है कि ये बच्चों के अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस, वो डेडिकेशन बढ़ा देता है और फिर इस इतने बड़ी स्टेज पे बच्चे बिल्कुल बेधड़क परफॉर्म करते हैं। और आज मैंने बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स से बात की, बहुत सारे ओल्ड एलियंस थे जिनके अब बच्चे भी दिल्ली कॉलेज में पढ़ रहे हैं, दे वर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ एवरीथिंग, एंड दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ सच फंक्शंस दैट एवरीबडी इज टुगेदर। यहाँ पे बच्चों के लिए ये एक बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग होता है। सो मैं तो अब यहाँ से आपसे इजाज़त लेती हूँ। आपको ये कैसा लगा ज़रूर बताइएगा, बट अभी समय है मेरा जाने का, तो मैं जूही गुप्ता इजाज़त लेती हूँ मेरे दोस्त मनीष के साथ, पर आप देखते रहिए HBTV न्यूज़।